I get to teach at the coolest spots for yoga. This is one of them. I occasionally get to cover here at Surf Synergy. It's a surf school, and they also offer yoga for the people that come to stay at this beautiful place.
Downside of teaching here, I always almost die on this freaking hill. You have no idea how steep it is. I'm like almost falling. This is why I didn't bring my drum today. The first time I came, I had my yoga mat, heavy yoga mat, my bag, my drum, my water. Like, I was a mess. That was a mess.